Hi everyone. In the previous video we have developed this calculator using switch case. In this video we are going to modify some of the code to enhance the working of this calculator. Let's say if we want to add two numbers, then we can select the option 1 and then enter. Here it is asking for one number. Let's say I'm giving 100, enter. Second number I am giving 500, so the result should be 600. It is working perfectly, but when I am going to exit from the program, in this case it is asking me the number to enter, and after entering two numbers it is going to exit from the program, but we want to exit without giving any input. So for that reason I am going to take input from the user in the switch gate itself. Means I am going to write these two statements inside the switch. In every switch statement I am going to write these parts. Okay, yeah. So in case 1 we are going to first take two inputs from the user, and after that we are going to print the addition, that is the result. Okay, similarly in case 2 also we are going to take two numbers, and after that we are going to print the result. In case 3 also, first we are going to take two inputs, and lastly in case 4. In case 5 we are not going to take any input from the user, as it is a exit button. Whenever the user choose the option as 5, the program should exit. Now it's looking fine. Now I can save it, Ctrl S, and then run it. Let's see how our calculator is working now. So now let's say we want to do addition. First number is 85, then 25, addition is 110, that's right. And then let's say we want to do subtraction, 500 and 100, and this would be 400. Yeah, then we want, let's say if we want to give one line space after the result or before the result, then we can do it. Here we can write like /n, and after this also we can write /n. In subtraction also we have to write this /n, and here also /n means it will go to the next line, means it will provide a blank space in our output. No, it's fine. Again Ctrl S, then run as Java application. Now if we see, let's say addition 500 and 100, yeah, addition is 600. Now you can see we are having our result after one space, and after printing the result we are having another one line space. Now it's looking little bit more good. Let's say we want to do multiplication. Let's say 25 into 4, it's 100. And finally if we want to exit from the program, let's say 5, and we are exit from the program. Now see here, I am entering values but it's not taking anymore. Again, if you want to do the operations, then again we have to run this and we can calculate anything. So I want to do this modification only. I hope you can also execute this program without any error. If you have any doubt, you can write down in the comment. I will respond as soon as possible. So that's all about for today's video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.